By the end of this lesson, you're going to learn one of the main uses of the word despite. And this is a great word to use, especially if you're taking an IELTS test, because it can show the examiner that you know more than just basic words. So let's have a look right now. Let's look at an example. Despite there being many advantages of studying overseas, there are some disadvantages to think about. Now, this might look very difficult to make a sentence with despite, but it's actually very easy. So let's look at it now. So, the first thing you need to know with despite is that when you're using despite, you need two sentences that have different ideas. So these ideas must not be the same because despite is used to show a difference between two or more things. So from our sentence we looked at the start of the lesson, this is idea number one. There are many advantages of studying overseas. Now we need a second idea which is different. And here it is. Idea number two. There are some disadvantages to think about. So idea one is the advantages, the good things. Idea two is the disadvantages. These ideas are different. Now, between these ideas, you need a comma. You need to separate the ideas with a comma. Also, you need to change the verb to verb ing in the first idea. So when you're using despite like this, the verb in the first idea must be verb ing. Let's make a full sentence with despite right now. So let's put despite here at the start of the sentence. Okay, so how can we change the verb to verb ing? What is verb ing for are? Correct? It is being. There being many advantages of studying overseas. Now, there's a few things we need to do to make this sentence correct. We've got a big T here, but this is the second word in the sentence. So we need to change it to a lowercase t. After that, we need to remove the full stop here. Now, we also need to change this t to a small t. And now we've got our full sentence. Despite there being many advantages of studying overseas, there are some disadvantages to think about. So let me show you a summary of how to use despite. You need despite plus sentence one, and in sentence one you need a verb ing. Then you need a comma, and then you need sentence two. Now please note sentence two can be any tense that you like, and remember sentence one and sentence two must be different. They cannot have an idea that is the same. Alright, let's do some practice now. So, idea number one, sick. Idea number two, hungry. So let's put sick into a sentence. We could say something like, I am sick. Very simple. Idea number two, we could change hungry to say something like, I am still hungry. Normally, not always, but when you're sick, you're not hungry. That's why these ideas are different. They're not the same. So, to join these together, we need the word despite. We need to change the verb to verb ing in the first sentence. So we could say, despite being sick, I am still hungry. Let's have a look at another example. Idea one, older. Idea two, win. So the first sentence could be something like, he is older. So he is older than the other people. Now the other sentence will be, he won. So to join these, we need despite and we need verb ing. So we could say, despite being older than the others, he still won. So these two ideas are a little bit different. The person is older, but he still won. That's why we can use despite. Now, like I said at the start of the lesson, this is just one main use of despite. And also please note that you can use despite when you're speaking as well, not just for writing, but if you use despite when you're speaking, it's normally used in more formal situations. Okay, now I'm going to give you some homework, and I'd like you to write your answers in the comments down below. First one, idea 1, advantages. Idea 2, disadvantages. So join these together using despite. You can talk about the advantages of anything. It's up to you. Use your creativity and write a sentence. Next one, idea 1, go out. Idea 2, rain. And finally, next one is idea number 1, the car is old, and idea 2, it works well. So write some sentences in the comments below using despite, and I can't wait to see what you write.